Okay, so this is going to be a quick video on the difference between the mode, the median, and the mean, and then we're going to go through briefly how you calculate each of these things and some little details to pay attention to with the median. So the mode is the most common, and the way that you can remember this is that the most sounds like the mode. Okay, now it's the most common or the most frequent. They both mean the same thing. Now the median is the middle value when they're put in order. Okay, so middle value when ordered. So usually you go from smallest to largest. Now, the reason that it's easy to remember the median is that it sounds a little bit like medium. So medium, like that. So medium means in the middle. So median tells us that it's the middle value when we put the numbers in order. Now, the mean is when you add them all up. So add all up and divide by how many? Okay, and that's as simple as that. So the mode, the median, and the mean. These are the definitions. Okay, so if we want to find the mode for question 7, we need to look at which number appears the most often. Now, what you can do to help you with this is you can shortlist some numbers that might be the answer. So looking at this, I think, oh, well, 8 appears a few times, 7 appears a few times, and 11 appears a few times. So I could say 7, 8, and 11. I could do a little tally. So 7 appears twice. So that's once and twice. 8 appears twice, 11's 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And then I know that must be 11. Okay. Now you might just be able to look at this and go, oh, I can count 3 11s and I can't see 3 of anything else. So it must just be 11. But you can do this tally to help you if you need to. Okay, so that's the mode. Now the median is the next one. So if we look at these numbers, we're going to put them in order. So 9 comes first, then we've got 10, then we've got 10.5, then we've got 11, then we've got 12, I've forgotten 9.5, so that's embarrassing. Let's just move that one along a little bit. 9, 9.5, 10, and then 12, 15, 23. So what you can do as well is you can cross them off as you've done them. So 9, cross that one off, 9.5, cross that one off, 10, cross it off, 10.5, 11, 12, 15, 23. And then because you've got none left, you know that you've considered them all and you don't count them twice. So now what we do is we can cross them off from each end. So that's 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. And what you'll realise is if I keep crossing things off, I'll either end up with 4 on one side and 3 on the other, which doesn't make sense because it's not in the middle. Or if I cross them both off, then I've not got any numbers left. So what we do is we look at the two middle numbers. So there's 3 things this side and 3 things that side. So these two numbers are in the middle. And then to find the median, we need to add them together, 10.5 plus 11, and then we need to divide by 2. Which is equal to 21.5 divided by 2, which is equal to 10.75. And that is our median for this. Now, as a bonus question as well, we'll work out the mean of these numbers up here. So question 7. So the mean, what we're going to do is we're going to add all these numbers together, and then we're going to divide by how many numbers there are. Okay, so you can see if we do 8 plus this, plus this, plus this, and so on, we'll get a number. And then the number of numbers that there are is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we need to divide whatever we get out of adding them all up by 11. Okay, so I'm just going to do that now. So we can see there that the answer is 10.1. Okay, so we've added them all together and we got 111. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. So divide by 11. 111 divided by 11, as done in the calculator, gives us 10.1. And that's our mean. Okay, so there we've done the mode, the median, the mean for these examples here.